One of the biggest mistakes made when running underground roof runoff systems, when you're burying pipe for your gutter trough downspouts, is people mistakenly use perforated pipe. We see it all the time. So we're redoing a system for a homeowner, and sometimes you can utilize the piece of pipe that's under the walk, so you're not disturbing the walk. In this case, you have no choice. It's got to be a full, complete removal. So it was the wrong pipe. It filled full of dirt. And we see this all the time. You know, it wasn't a very good pipe to begin with, but it's the number one mistake that I see DIYers make. This is the number one mistake, and you're losing water right at the foundation of your house. So when the downspout is dumping water and it's pouring into this pipe, the water's shooting out of these perforations like a giant sprinkler. I've seen these during a hard rain, and I know what it looks like. So you think you're doing something good, and maybe you'll like lose that water over a length of a certain area, but you really want it to be solid pipe. And then if you want to take it to perforated, because you have no trees that can hurt that pipe, and you do want to like take it to a leach line, because they will just fill up with dirt like you see here. So we don't mess around. We run solid pipe with all our downspouts. We take them to a distribution box, and then we take them to a nice outlet basin. Here we're doing a whole house roof runoff. Just to kind of give you an example. So here's solid pipe. So this is the French Drain Man's high octane solid. This is for roof runoff systems, and it's manufactured by the Baughman Tile Company. So we always make sure that we install so that you can run a camera through it. That's a nice clean out. It could be used for venting. It can be used for when there's a freeze up here in Michigan. So here's the D-box. Not too often do you have to take that lid off and vacuum out the shingle gravel. And then we ran this one. Francisco did a great job. He knew running it to here was just going to flood the yard. The grade actually started to break where he ran the outlet basin, and that's doing it right there. That's how the professionals do it.